Hi folks, welcome to this gorgeous room tour at one of my favorite resorts, the amazing, very intimate, and stunning Sandals Halcyon Beach Resort located right between the other two Sandals on the island of St. Lucia. Hey folks, I'm Addison from Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. Welcome to this channel, Mr TraveLux. We are YouTube's largest sandals and beaches dedicated exclusive channel, and today we are thrilled to bring this sweet tour to you. If you're thinking to book this room or something else at any Sandals or Beaches resort, make sure to reach out to hear about our complimentary concierge services. Yes, there are contact details in that description below, and also so much more that you definitely want to see, so have a peek. Oh, and if you did book in the last 14 days and are just now seeing this video, make sure to still reach out if you did book over the phone or online to hear about our complimentary concierge services and what we might be able to do for your booking and add some value. But for now, let's jump together into the raw footage of this gorgeous room at Sandals Halcyon Beach Resort. Let's go. So there it is, the SBT Beachfront Crystal Lagoon Swim Up Butler room with the Patio Tranquility Soaking Tub. If we can be of assistance in booking this room or any other room or suite at any Sandals or Beaches resort, make sure to reach out at hello@ReliantDestinations.com, and my team and I would be so thrilled to help you personally. Again, there's loads of information for you further in the description below. I hope to see you around in resort sometime perhaps. Take care, see you soon.